Mercy Jackson?
Yeah, I heard some gunshots right here raised in Laramie.
How many shots did you hear?
Like 4 or 5. It's like
okay, I'll notify the police. You heard 4 to 5 shots. What's your name, ma'am?
right here outside of 50. Yeah, outside. Thank you.
I'll notify the police. Thank you.
May 26, 2018, 2:46 a.m. Chicago police respond to a report of shots fired on the city's west side. What begins as a routine field interview escalates into a foot chase through an alley and ends in an officer-involved shootout.
Before Robert, slow down on neighbors.
10-4, units responding to the shots fired 1444 North Avers, take the slow down. 1444 Avers, slow it down. 2535 Robert. 2535 Robert.
One in custody, can you show us heading to the station? Last 3 is 265.
4 in custody, 0245 hours.
You guys don't have anything on you you're not supposed to have, right? Stand up. 5-1 for you, Robert. Talk to my partner, please. Y'all good, man? Yeah, I'm good.
513 Robert.
We are now clear from the hospital. Run it! What is your fucking hands up? He's got waistband! Keep your hands up! Hands up! He's got it in his hand! Hey, get out! Get out! Shots fired! Shots fired! Keep your hands up! Shots fired! Turn around. Keep your hands. Check him! Move your hand. He's pointing it out. Don't move. Austin 614. You got a weapon on you?
Why did you shoot me?
Austin 6-1 boy, where are you?
Don't touch it. Make sure he doesn't have anything on him.
I know.
Watch your feet.
Why did you shoot me? I got him.
Where's his gunshot wound?
Shots fired by the police, Ohio Patrol. Ohio Patrol 1566 on foot.
Yeah, he's got one in his back. That's it.
I got a weapon recovered. 10-4, 1500. Go ahead.
I'm en route. Tell cars to not come in hot. They say it's under control. Weapons recovered. No need for one to get hurt.
Watch your feet.
Ambulance rolling, right?
10-4 units assigned to Ohio and the patrol. Take a slow down. Ohio and Latrobe, slow it down. 15 district on 12. Alright, we'll get the ambulance over. We got a person shot.
Cars on the street.
The victim is down. The offender is down, I mean. Off, please. 4565 on. 1565, can you turn the mobile off, please?
Yeah, just breathe. We got the ambulance coming, alright? Okay? Just relax. We have the ambulance coming.
Alright, mobile. Mobile's off.
Alright, just relax. The ambulance is coming. Alright, brother? Just relax. Just relax. The ambulance is coming.
Unit that was requested in the mobile off. Repeat your transmission. 1874.
Here's one. Another one. Loza, watch your feet. Watch your feet. I don't know where it's. Hold on. Do you have a card? Watch your feet. I need a card. Do you have any cards by chance?
No. Do you need anything or something? Piece of paper?
I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
There's another guy Watch your feet. Watch your feet. There's. I don't.
Unit 1015 on the citywide responding to Ohio.
I got put it. I put it on.
Slow down, please. Ohio Latrobe. Slow it
There
down.
might be. There's one here. There's one there. How many? I was wrong.
You want the ambulance to come where exactly?
Everybody else is good though, right? Everyone's okay. Where was he standing?
Your radio's cutting out. 1560, go ahead.
You know where he's standing or no? He shot from like right around here. Right around here?
10-4. Someone was saying the way they should come in.
Let's start right now. We got to see.
Who's got tape?
Anyone else back over this way? Back it out. We're looking for someone. Back it out. Chris, tape it out.
Also, 50 Robert, is there another offender?
The second one or the third one on the porch.
Is there a second offender units over there on Ohio Latrobe?
It's not no big deal. No. Okay. Who's got Chris? Who's got Chris?
Yeah, until they tell us not to, keep him on.
Sorry.
1524 Robert.
He was on this porch. This one right here. This one. He's like. No, that's not him. That is not him. It was a younger kid. He had light skinned. He had black curly hair, kind of like a puff. It's not him. That's not him. I know, I understand.
1560. Can you send a message to PD 41 in reference to info for the officer? We need the B car and the name for the PO fire shots. And my relay is off, by the way.
Officer, my legs, can you loosen a little bit my head? This one out, right?
Yeah. Alright? Yeah, it's off.
I already gave it to him. I gave it to him on the mobile. He wants. Yeah, we got it. Alright, so give me a second. I'm on the crime scene.
There was another guy. I don't know if he was an offender. They were both sitting on the porch together.
So let's just don't worry about that. Just stay with me. Relax. We're gonna go through your stuff. Be fine. I will. Doing okay? You're not shot.
Just a little shaken off. That's all.
Take your time. Take your time. Oh, you know what? Go get.
My car here.
We got one going back to 15.
I don't know the event number or anything.
Ready for him to go green? We gotta get the seatbelt number.
Commander's on scene. He makes the call, right?
Stay right here. I stick him out.
Our guys are one guns on the scene. Responding to shots fired. We'll take care of that. Right? Yeah, we might as well stay. Let everyone just stay.
Do you want to go green? No, stay down.
Let's leave it at the end so that they see at this point in the situation. We're fine. Everybody else will see. Yeah, sir. Just step further back. Yeah, sit. We got a car from the city. Just let me sit down.
I would rather not. If I could just stand and just relax.
All right, you're fine.
Unless you need me to, then.
No, I just want you to relax. Bro. Come stand over this way over here. You're good. You're good. Good job.
Male Hispanic?
He was black Hispanic.
Black.
Younger, maybe 16, 17.
You don't think he's hiding through this lot, do you?
I don't know if he was an offender at all. They were both sitting there. I asked him to come over to me,
over the gate.
and then this guy took off.
That's this guy.
3845 Hurst, 3845 Hurst, two intoxicated male Hispanics fighting in front.
1500.
1500.
Scene is contained at this point. We can turn the cameras off.
Is that including me?
Officer Stewart fired 3 times. The suspect received multiple gunshot wounds, but survived. Copa investigated and determined the shooting was justified. The suspect had a weapon, pointed it at officers, and posed an imminent threat of death or great bodily harm. This case demonstrates when deadly force is legally authorized under police use of force policies. But what happens when officers don't follow procedure? When a routine traffic stop turns into excessive force? Our next case is a stark contrast. Watch what happens when officers fail to follow policy and a suspect ends up with a broken bone. Watch the video playing right here in the center right now and find out what happens when you think you're smarter than law enforcement. Subscribe to Police Axon Cam and hit the notification bell.